Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm actually staying this week at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino Center Strip. But tonight, however, I'm going to take a walk across the street, pack a little suitcase, and stay at the Aria. I have a couple comps from MGM and I'm going to take advantage of them just so I can show you the rooms. So tonight I am staying at the Aria, even though I have a room here at the Flamingo. But I'm going to show you the room and the pools, and then of course I'm going to make other videos while I'm in that area. This week has just started and already I'm having a great time. I hope you're having a great time watching the videos as well. It's going to take me about 10-15 minutes. My bag's already packed, just a little bag for overnight. And going to head across the street. Shouldn't take more, like I said, 10-15 minutes. Come on along with me. Let's check out the Aria room. And I'm not sure if the pool's open, but if the pool is open, we'll check out the room and the pool. Come on, let's go. I actually checked into the Aria from my bed at the Flamingo this morning, so I'm all set. My room key is on my phone. All I have to do is walk across the street and swipe my phone on the door to the hotel room and I'm in. Hold on tight. For those of you familiar with New York City, this area, the tree-lined area in front of the Bellagio fountains, always reminds me of Fifth Avenue in New York City on the east side of Central Park. I guess you call it Museum Mile. This area always reminds me of that. If you're not familiar with the area, you could care less. There are certain elevators on the Las Vegas Strip that I've been here for years, have never worked. The one that brings you by the, where are we? The Cosmo to the pedestrian bridge over to the Aria, never worked. You have to go into the Cosmo. I think the Cosmo's paying someone so that you have to walk through their casino. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Keep in mind, I'm going straight up to the room to do a room tour and possibly a pool tour if the pool is open. An extensive tour of the Aria will be done on a separate video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.